filmed in a few weeks. Garage has changed a bit. This has been, it looks fucking awful because I've still got to paint this. There's a new car. I will stop buying cars. That's probably a lie, but I will fucking, now, that's it. I have 5 now. The car, I haven't shown yet because I haven't filmed anything because my phone's been smashed. I'll show you the wheels for it though. Also yesterday, we picked up two other sets of wheels. One for the Lexus, because the ones that are on the Lexus right now are going to a new good home. I'm going to Charlie, which is good, because he always wanted them. So he's bought those off of me, and I've bought my, like, fucking dream wheels. These are for the new car. Euro, but it's not a Euro car, it is a Japanese car. And it's definitely not for drifting, even though these would be cool on the drift car. Boom, shebang. They are wheels. They're 16s by 9, which should be grippy as fuck. I just need to make sure there's enough clearance for it. Right, some of these, I mean, they all need a good refurb, but I got them for a really good deal. And these are gonna look so fucking gangster on the IS. I'm so excited. It's Charlie's birthday and mine, like pretty close. So Charlie's been the G and bought me the starter for that mission for today. He's on his way now. I've got a surprise because we've been talking about doing this for fucking ages. Me and Charlie have been talking about fucking going for a skate for ages, and I haven't skated in years, so I ended up getting Charlie a brand new deck. I got myself a new deck, but yeah, got him some trucks. There's 3 different types of grips in there, so we can, like, he can choose, and then I'll stick whatever the fuck. Right, stay turned that way and go left towards the E36 engine. Sounds like a police standoff. Put your hands in the air. What's it? Okay, turn around.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish my cookie.
Fuck's sake.
Alright.
Because we were talking about going for a skate. So I got you a full setup. I hope I picked a good graphic.
Sick! Look, man!
Yeah, I thought that's what I spent ages looking at, man.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
So, my one. Charlie's doing some funky stuff. That's why I'm at it. I got these off for Charlie because obviously he's bought these off of me. But he wants the chunkier tyres. I need the skinnier tyres to go on the E36. So I need someone, yeah, to basically flip these. Jesus Christ! Would you rather have it be a different car?
I wanted to die in an EG, not an EK! Wow!
Oh, okay, we're on the public road now. Fuck.
No.
But they're supposed to be basically that shit. And you've got all these little connectors and shit. So I'm gonna sort of put it together around here. I've just broke it down in fucking half. Right, so it's next day. Lights are up. So fucking happy with it. The next thing is like the walls, because there's a lot of crap. So I've got to basically tidy up all of this crap, take all the flags off, and then I've bought white paint to refresh like all of this. Right, so all the walls look still a bit patchy, but it is so much better. All of these done, all of that done. There's a few bits I had to like scrub. I've got to make space outside. Pretty much started making like a base. So basically put a bunch of blocks on like cement bags that have been left outside at work. I did stand up, it was a bit too tall, so I've cut down to basically like 3 sections. Keep it 4 sections wide, and then I'm gonna put just like Corex on there to just seal off.